Welcome to GetLicensed.com, your resource for California contractor license study guides. Our online practice exams and written study guide books can ease your homework headaches. We provide you with condensed study materials to pass the C20 HVAC license and exam, saving you countless hours of studying. What is a C20 contractor license? A C20 license is issued to a contractor who fabricates, installs, maintains, services and repairs warm air heating systems and water heat pumps, complete with warm air appliances. Now, there are some basic requirements. You have to be over the age of 18, have a valid driver's license and social security card, and not currently be on probation or parole. There are also some experience requirements, having 4 years full-time level experience and a qualified person to sign off and document your experience, like an employer or supervisor. What to expect during the test? Now, the testing exam is a closed book. There's no reference materials allowed to be brought in, no notes, no books, or anything like that. The questions are set up as multiple choice, so they're set up in an A, B, C, D, CBD format, and there are some mathematical computations, and a calculator is provided. The testing is done on site, and the results are immediate. Let's take a look at the exam and how it's broken down. It's divided into 4 major sections. Evaluation, design, and estimation cover about 26% of the exam questions. Fabrication, installation, and startup, 27%. Troubleshooting, repair, and maintenance, 22%, and safety, 25%. Let's take a look at some sample questions you might encounter on the exam. A chiller refrigerates which of the following? C. Circulating water. 2. What is the function of a thermocouple in a gas furnace? B. It is a safety device that confirms the existence of a pilot flame. 3. A packaged water source heat pump eliminates which of the following components? D. Air-cooled condenser. Are you still nervous? Did you know the California Contractors State License Board provides you with the resources to study for the exam? Now, most licenses have anywhere from 5 to 10 encyclopedia-sized books to study from. What we've done is we've taken all of those books and condensed them into paragraphs. And just as important as condensing those, we categorize them, so in the end, we provide you with a Cliff Notes study guide. In our study guides, you will be prepared to take your California Contractor License exam by being fully prepared with just the right amount of information. Let's take a look at what's included. You'll receive a printed and bound study guide book that's written by real tradesmen and California construction law attorneys. You'll also get online access to practice exams with traditional formatting of A, B, C, D questions and flashcards. And you get to take that practice exam as many times as you need. You also have the option to add on lectures that correlate with the content in the study guide, giving you the classroom-like experience. And those are presented by California construction law attorneys and tradesmen. And those lectures are available online streaming, video, or audio disc. We believe that the best study preparation products can only come from the best instructors. Our knowledge and passionate commitment are your assurance that we make it simple to pass your California Contractors exam. By combining old world concepts and practices with the most current technology, we have developed simple, effective teaching curriculum with proven results. Preparing for an exam can be stressful. GetLicensed.com can help with an online prep course and books that will help you soar. We have helped countless contractors get ready for their exam. Let GetLicensed.com help you pass with relative ease.